Hey, boys and girls, I wanted to show you how to log into Social Studies Weekly this week. This is your first time logging into Social Studies Weekly. This is what we'll be using as our format to do social studies online on Chromebooks and at home. And this is what the login page should look like. From your Google Classroom, here is the assignment, Social Studies Weekly 1, Welcome to Second Grade. All right, so what I would like you to do is read the instructions right here in the middle. Welcome to second grade. The Social Studies Weekly will help you learn more about your community, state, country, and world. There are two big things I would like you to do in this assignment. The first one is complete all the articles. There are 9 articles. They're really, really short, though. 9 sounds like a lot, but it's not very much. It starts with welcome to second grade, and then the last article is on writing a sentence. Please, at the end, write a sentence about how you could be a good citizen in the comments section to your teacher with your name, your first name and last name, and then don't forget to click turn in when you're finished, okay, on Google Classroom. That way your teacher can receive it. They know that you've done this assignment, and you can, it can be graded. Parents, it would be an excellent idea to bookmark the Social Studies Weekly login page for future purposes. Now, this will be on Clever, but sometimes it's nice just to have it up here in the top in your toolbar up there. Students, this is for my class. If you're in a different class, your login and your password name may be a little bit different. But in my class, in Ms. Sullivan's class, the username is the last name, first initial, and 2031, which is the year that you graduate. That is all lowercase. And my example here is Smith J 2031. That's an example, not a real student. The password is last name, beginning with a capital letter, and 123. For example, Smith with a capital S, 123. When you're finished going through all 9 of those little tiny articles, there's a blue button on your Social Studies Weekly where I'd like you to take a little test. Yes, this will be your first grade in social studies, so make it good. All the answers are in the articles, so just make sure you listen carefully. That way you know what the answers are. I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to turn off my camera here so that you can see a full screen of what the login should look like. So when you click on the login page right here, this is where you can sign in. But this is what it should bring you to. Social Studies Weekly, this is your online access. I am going to log in with the Smith J2031, the example I was showing you. And that password is capital SMITH 123. Now, this is not a real student. This is just for demonstration purposes only. And then you will click login. This is what your page will look like when it comes up, and it'll show your publications. Now, our only publications that we're doing is the Texas Second Grade Studies Weekly. So you're going to click on that. And it will bring you to this. Now, this is for week 1. This is your first assignment that was on Google Classroom. See, Social Studies Weekly 1. Welcome to second grade. That is the only one you do for this assignment. These are on there because they're future assignments that will be happening later in the week. Okay. And actually, week 5 is the second week of school, so don't worry about that one yet. The only assignment you need to do for this one is week 1, welcome to second grade. So you're going to click on welcome to second grade. And over here on the left, you can see all 9 of those articles I was talking about, beginning with welcome to second grade and then ending with write a sentence. So what I would like you to do for this assignment is you're going to read or listen to all of these paragraphs that are in the articles. The nice thing about this is you can click this play button right here.
Welcome back
and it reads it to you.
Fun year at school. This year, Studies Weekly will help you learn more about.
You can also control the pace of the reading. If you want it to read slower, you can click these buttons. If you want it a little bit faster, you can click 1.2. All right, but I'm going to stick with the one. Down here, every time you accomplish something in Social Studies Weekly, it gives you little coins. Okay, and your coins you can spend with your profile. And I believe, I haven't really played with that, but I think that you might be able to modify some things in your profile. And here it'll show how many coins that you've earned by all the things you've done. So that's something you get to play with on your own. And unfortunately, I haven't done that just yet. So once you've listened to or read this entire page, you're going to click Next, and it will bring you to the second article. And again, you're going to listen to that or read it on your own, whatever you're more comfortable with. When you finish that, you click Next. Now, this article is a little bit special because once you're done listening or reading to this, you can click on Watch Video, and you can watch this video called America the Beautiful intro. And it actually describes to you everything it talks about. And it's only, a minute and a half long, so it's not very long. And yes, I would love it if you watched all the videos that are up here. Another thing is explore more. So over here, again, you've got the video, and then it gives you a little bit more information along with questions. And check this out. If you get them right, you get coins, more coins to spend. So I would highly recommend trying that. When you are finished, like I said, you're going to go through all of these articles, and I'm not going to read them to you. I want you to do that on your own. Please make sure you do, because you will take a test on this at the end. And the last article here is you're going to write a sentence on how you could be a good citizen. Now, I'm not going to explain to you what a good citizen is because that is in this article. But I want you to write me a full sentence, capital letter, punctuation at the end, which means a period, exclamation point, or question mark. Now, it shouldn't be a question mark. It should be a statement ending with a period or an exclamation. And I would like you to submit that in the comments section to your teacher with your first name and last name. That's all it needs to be, is just one sentence on how you can be a good citizen. And then when you are finished, I want you to click this Take Test button. Now it will bring you to this page. It will ask you a bunch of questions in different formats. This is multiple choice. This is a drop-down menu right here. So you click that and choose your answer. Go through each one of these. This one is matching. It's kind of fun. You just drag it to where you think it needs to go. I want you to finish this entire test, and then you're going to click Finish. After you click Finish, it will send the results to me, and that will be your grade. So please do your ultimate best on this, so that way your first social studies grade is awesome. All right. That is the end of this lesson for today. So I will be back to show you Social Studies Weekly 2 later on. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.